Well, in this journey so far, I have gained enough experience and I thought why not make a video which can help any one of you planning to be a content creator like me. So these are the 5 simple steps and let's start with the first one, the tools. The most important tool to be a content creator is to have a very costly camera and its attachments. No, nothing of that sort is required. You can actually start with your smartphone, which I believe you already have. If not, time to switch buddy. Most of the recent phones already have stabilization built in. But if you're not sure and you want to make it perfect, you can invest in a gimbal. A simple selfie stick or a tripod will also work if you do not want to spend money initially. If you're purchasing a tripod, I would suggest buying a Gorilla tripod. The next important thing after your phone would be the mic. Invest in a mid-budget mic as sound is very important part of the video. I will put the links of all the accessories that I currently use. So that's all you need initially. As you grow, you can invest in various other things like better mics, action cameras, drones, etc. Now let's go to tip number 2, practice. Do not jump directly into the video making and publish your video to the world. Instead, do some practice. Make home videos, take videos in your own neighborhood, get it reviewed by your spouse, kids, everyone else, get some suggestions, take videos in various angles, try various ways of video making. Learn what your phone can do, which you may not be aware of. I have practiced for about a year before publishing my first vlog, so it will take some time, but if you're already an expert, you will learn it faster. Tip number 3, software. Once you have captured the footage, you will need a video editing software to start making your first vlog. There are a lot of free software like VN Editor for Mac and Windows, iMovie for Mac, etc. You can edit your footage on your mobile as well using softwares like VN Editor, Vita, etc. Do not purchase any software as it is not needed unless you want to make your video look more professional, animation rich, etc. But take your time. Tip number 4, confidence. One thing you should not have while filming is being shy. Thinking that people around you will think what you are doing. Just pretend as if there is no one around you. Before going to public places, practice at home in front of the mirror. Check if you're looking into the mirror or looking somewhere else and talking. By the way, am I looking to the mirror? Yeah, I think so. This is very important to make eye contact with the viewers. One simple tip regarding improving your confidence is if you are at a place where people speak different language, talk more in your local language. If you are at a remote place of your own state, talk in English. That way you may feel that no one understands you what you're saying and you will feel more confident. As you gain confidence, you will not be hesitant to talk in any language. Tip number 5, subject. Choose a subject that you're passionate about. I love traveling, love trying various foods, love watching movies, and that's why I make most of my videos on these subjects. Similarly, you choose your own subject and make videos of those. Try to make the videos on trending subjects to get more views. People ask me how you manage your time. See, managing time is all in your hands only. Just think on weekends, are there any other tasks that you do which you think aren't fruitful, like watching TV, sleeping a lot, etc. Just giving an example, don't think otherwise. If you can take some time out of it and put it here, you will have enough time, believe me. I do not exercise, so traveling places on weekends helps me in burning some calories as well. Yeah, they are positives. Think in that way. Think about its benefits. And of course, you should also be passionate, committed, and sincere. Okay, enough lecture. I hope you found this video very useful. So all the best. Share the knowledge. That's it for now. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye.